feel the pain. You'll feel your legs start to give out. You'll feel your abs start to ache, and your neck is just killing you. You know, you're dehydrated. There's just so many factors that you don't see unless you're actually in the car and unless somebody actually tells you. And some people are like, no, there's no way that's true. But you know, that's what makes this sport so special.
Yeah. I think they know I'm about to blow up soon. I'm too high up in this game like E.T. over the moon. I've been over your heads like the luggage sitting over your head. So why you looking right under your bed? I guess you missed what I said. Like actually, you ain't never passed me. Less it's liquor, then you better pass to me. I do this shit casually. From now on, address me as your majesty, or else you getting some casualties. They just wanna know that if I'm fucking all these hoes, tell me where the hoes at. You been acting crazy, won't you sip and tell them cognac? They been looking deep past the blunt, tell them hold that, hold back. Homie, this a throwback. See me at the function, I'm the man, I'ma own that at will. Popping bottles, no pills, yeah I do this for real. Need a house in the hills. Back on the bullshit, I look at the factors. I cannot rap all of these rappers backwards. Most of them acting, so label them some actors. Slow it down just to rap a little faster. Up on the flow, I bought a new chain. Faster I go, only one in my lane, yeah. I think they need to hear that. Always with my fam, we together like some meerkats. Wanna talk about some stars, homie, know we're that. My faith too strong, and haters tend to fear that. See me at the function, I'm the man, I'ma own that.